So tell us, there's another term in the Quran which is called the Madd or Huruf-ul-Madd, which is known as the normal elongation. And I know there's loads of different types of Madd, of elongation in the Holy Qur'an, as we've mentioned already. So what makes the Madd special? What's the specific rule about Madd?
So that's a very good point that you mentioned over here. There's different types of Madd, and there's different types of elongation in the Holy Qur'an. Madd just means to lengthen or to prolong. And in Arabic, there are three main letters in the whole Arabic alphabet of prolongation. And they are known as the Huruf-ul-Madd. And they are the alif, the waw, and the ya. So a letter of elongation, whenever these three letters appear, should be prolonged for about 2 seconds. That's just the simple mode of understanding the level of prolongation. And one word that I would like to give as an example actually has all of these letters of prolongation, and that is utina. This word over here, utina. So as you can see, this word has all three of the Huruf-ul-Madd. Now each letter of prolongation, Huruf-ul-Madd, I'm just going to explain it furthermore. The alif, the alif maddiya is always after a letter that carries the fatha stroke. So any letter that comes before the alif maddiya has to have a fatha for you to, prolong. So for example, in this you have na at the end. The noon has a fatha, and then straight after the noon fatha, there is an alif. So that's why we prolong it. So that's very, very important to remember in the alif maddiya. The second one is the waw maddiya. Yeah? The waw maddiya is always after a letter that carries the dhamma stroke. So in this word, utina, we see the waw. Before the waw, there's an alif that has a dhamma. So that's very, very important. Again, you prolong it for 2 seconds. The last one, the ya maddiya, is always after a letter that carries the kasra stroke. And in this example, ti, you see this, yeah? Just before the ya, there's a ta, and that has a kasra, and then we prolong it for 2 seconds. So this, in essence, is the Huruf-ul-Maddiya.
Jazakallah. So we'll go into the next ones later on.
Inshallah.
I think you've broken it down very well. And I think it's just identifying what the Madd looks like and just how to prolong it. I think that's the best way we can recognize it in the Holy Qur'an and practice it as we should be always.